feet are going to be flat on the floor, like that. And then have your right hand on the bottom with your clarinet.
So I chose to teach hot cross buns on clarinet to my fiance Chad. He has never ever had any musical experience before whatsoever, and so this was kind of a challenge. It was kind of really weird to get into because it was like hard to start because I had never been like in that teacher position with him before, and so it was a little awkward at first. After watching it back, I was doing like a lot of talking. I wish that I could have like summed that up a little bit quicker and that we could have gotten into the playing faster. I noticed that I was doing that towards the beginning of the lesson, and I changed that later on. I started to do less talking, but I noticed that in the beginning I was doing a lot. So yeah. The clarinet that he was using was my marching clarinet that I use for Tiger Band, and I had never realized how out of tune it was. Oh, that was my dog. I had never realized how out of tune it was before until we had played it together like this. It was so bad that I thought he was playing a different note, but he was actually just playing the right note, and it was that out of tune. So I wish I would have maybe checked that beforehand or something. That would have helped with planning on a little bit. So what had happened here was like a notification popped up on my computer that said something about the camera, and so I thought the camera had stopped, and so I was really concerned about it. But what had actually happened, it was just something about storage or something. I'll just skip over this. Okay.
Okay, so moving on. Now you're just going to.
I had a hard time getting back into it after this, which is something that I guess I need to work on. Is if something happens, I should be able to respond quicker and be able to jump right back into it.
I'll just play it and then
So this was the first time that we had actually gotten into playing some music. So I wish that we would have gotten into that maybe a little quicker.
So what did you notice about that?
I feel like I also could have been more specific with my questions too.